The Detroit Tigers injured slugger, Miguel Cabrera, will undergo surgery Thursday to repair his broken biceps tendon. The procedure will be performed by Dr. David Altchek in New York. After surgery, Cabrera will rehabilitate in Detroit. According to Tigers athletic coach Doug Teter, the schedule for Cabrera, 35, to return to baseball activities is 6 months, which would put him online to be ready for the 2019 spring training. But Teter said the deadline to return may vary depending on the player. "You take rehabilitation and injury when it comes to it and you move forward with what the body gives you," said Teter, who described the injury as unusual. "There will be bad days and there will be good days. There will be days when everyone thinks it is early and there will be days when everyone thinks they are late. That is with any rehabilitation." The veteran slugger suffered an injury to the Twins on Tuesday when he turned clumsily on Jake Odorizzi's slider and immediately walked to the Tigers' dugout with his left arm dangling at his side.